Oh, the weather outside is frightful.
Nay, Tay, andito na po ako. Ay naman, ako na nga po bahala dyan. Kaya nga po di ba ako nagsisikap magtrabaho para matulungan sa dito na ako. Oh, anak, saan ka galing? Ano yung dala mo, anak? Nay, Tay, tandaan po ba nung mga panahon na hindi na natin alam kung paano pagkakasyahin yung pagkain sa buong araw? Ngayon po, hindi na tayo magugutom kasi may pang-grocery na po tayo. Anak, nasan ba tayo?
Happy Halloween!
Uwi na na kaya tayo. Nay, Tay, deserve nyo to. Kaya nyo pong may pananas ko sa inyo yung mga ganitong bagay at makabawi ako sa unang tawag ko ng mahal, pagkalinga at pag-aarugan sa akin simula noon. Hindi naman po ako makakapunta sa ganitong posisyon kung hindi ko lang.
And other girls dream that they'd be Ben's partner, You're so vain.
Do what you gonna do? Keep me up all night. Hurt vibe and hurt side when I look you in your eyes.
Hello, Ben? Uy, napatawag ka. Labas naman tayo today. Ay, wala akong time sa mga ganyan-ganyan ngayon. Busy kasi ako. Daming work, gawain sa bahay. Next time na lang siguro.
Story time. A girl named Akira Kendrick sent me the story. And the background of it is that her dad was very abusive to her mother, and her mother got custody of Akira, and her dad was not happy about that. Anyway, so Akira was with her aunt and her cousins at her grandmother's house, all on her mother's side, and her dad stops by to say hello. And Akira's outside playing with her cousin, and her dad comes up to her and grabs her arm and says, "Do you want to go to Walmart with me?" And at the time she's only 7, so all she hears is toy aisle. So she says, "Yes, let's go." So they get in the car, they head to Walmart. She gets some really nice pom-poms, and then he says, "Okay, let's go back to your grandmother's house." So he starts driving and he gets on the highway, and Akira knows that her grandmother's house is right around the corner from Walmart, so he does not need to get on the highway. So she says, "Dad, where are we going?" And he gets really mad and says, "Shut up, sit down, it does not matter." So Akira's in the back seat, she's really scared, and she just shuts her mouth. So after being in the car for a while, they eventually arrived at this really old, abandoned, beat-up house. And when they walk in, Akira sees about 25 people, and she does not know any of them. Her dad brings her to a room, puts her in a little closet, throws her some toys and her pom-poms, and says, "Play." Part 2 is coming right now.
Wala po to. Kumukuha lang po ng pambaon. Ang dami naman yan. Mauubos mo ba lahat yan? Opo, Nay. Malakas kasi akong kumain ngayon eh. Di ba, papataba, ganyan, healthy. Nay, pasok na po ako.
Do you want to make another purchase using a separate credit card? And could you possibly create a different account for me? And I said, "Sure, what are you looking for?"
Nay, pwede po bang sa akin na lang yung natira nating kanin tsaka ulam?
Perfect, I'll take it.
Bakit naman? Babaunin ko po sana ulit bukas. Sayang naman kung itatapon, di ba?
So I boxed everything up all nice and I put them in their
Nay,
respective
pasok na po ako.
He had me mark a K for Kristen on
Nay,
the bottom of
pwede
his
po
wife's
bang
bag,
padagdagan ng 200 pesos yung baon ko? Para saan?
I put pretty bows on them. I handed it to her.
Para lang po sana sa class fund po namin. Opo. Naniningil na po kasi magbabayad lang po sana.
His wife's name is Laura and his girlfriend's name is Kristen.
Nay, andito na ako. Anak, umamin ka nga sa akin. Madalas ka nagpapadagdag ng baon. Kumukuha ng sobra at tirang pagkain. Ano bang mayroon? Nay, naawa po kasi ako sa kaibigan ko. Sobrang hirap na po siya sa pagkatubuyod ng pag-aaral niya.
I saw TikTok where if you type yate,
wala din tayo. Kailangan ko talaga siya tulungan eh. Bebe, etong food baon mo to for today. Tapos, etong cash, ayan. pangbukas ko naman. Tapos meron pala ako nakitang notebook tsaka ballpen sa bahay na hindi naman ginagamit. Bigay ko na lang din sa'yo para at least magamit mo sa mga live. Salamat ha.
I'm vanilla baby, I'll choke you but I ain't no killer baby. She's 28 telling me I'm still a baby.
Ang gusto ko, parehas tayo makapagtapos. Masaya na ako doon.
Guys, you need to make this. 4 Oreos.
Ay, doon yung price niya.
1/4 cup milk.
Ayoko
Smash.
naman gumastos ng 50 to 60K. Kaya nag-iPad A16 na lang ako.
1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon
So,
flour,
ayokong gumastos ng 50 to 60K.
1/2
para
teaspoon
sa
baking
iPad.
powder,
Pero pangarap ko kasi yun kasi pang
1
Word talaga,
teaspoon
pang
cocoa
edit
powder.
ganyan. Kaya dito na lang tayo sa
Stir.
iPad A16.
Then you're gonna want
Anong
put
gagawin?
1
Eh, di
Oreo in there and sink it
mag-unboxing.
below
Wi-Fi plus cellular
covered with that
iPad
stuff.
A16.
Microwave,
Yes, sa Power
1
Mac ko
minute.
siya binili. Hindi naman ako against sa mga green. Ano yun? Saan yung natin?
Remember when you
Yes,
were
hindi naman ako against sa mga
here and all the fun we had last year.
Tiwala lang ako sa talagang Power Mac. Hindi mo iPhone 11 pa lang itong ginagamit. Hindi ako makapag-upgrade ng cellphone. Kasi syempre ang mahal na sa Power Mac. Kahit A16 ko, kahit hindi yung talagang latest na latest. Proud pa din, syempre kasi. So, paano tayo open? Buksan na po natin!
Open the Oreo. You got the cream, you got the cookie. Eat the first cookie. Now that the top part of the cookie is gone, you're left with this cream bottom cookie. You're gonna place it straight down on your tongue, cream side down. That is the only way.
Manual. Kala ko hindi charger. Then ito na! Moment of truth!
Some bad things, but I'm the worst of them. To steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof.
Mahal kasi yung
Talk about a future like we had a clue. Never planned it one day.
For sure kasi may intindihan ako ng mga content creator na kailangan talaga ng mga ganitong klase ng bagay. Trabaho talaga, di ba? Pang edit, email,
Type a dollop of
docs.
buttercream.
Kailangan ko na
Press
din.
down
Kaya
onto parchment
nag-edit
paper.
ako.
Freeze for 10 minutes. Remove from parchment
Excited
paper.
ako mag-edit,
Flat as a pancake,
sumagot
baby.
sa mga
Guys, you need to make
inquiries, sa
this.
mga project dyan.
4
Baka naman
Oreos.
po sa mga brand.
1/4 cup
pang
milk.
ROI lang, gano'n.
Smash.
Get started!
Keep smashing.
Yeah! Ganito talaga to. Hindi
Now,
tapos lang.
1 tablespoon
Or depende
sugar,
pag ginano mo siya.
1 tablespoon
Ayun!
flour,
Thank you so much!
1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder.
Lunes
Stir.
12 a.m. naririnig
Then
kita
you're
sa
gonna
banyo na may
put
kausap
1
sa call.
Oreo
Sino
in
yun?
there and sink it
Oo na!
below.
Nakikipag-usap ako sa
And
iba.
have it covered with that
Black
stuff.
pants, blue shirt, white
Microwave,
shoes. Nakita
1
kita
minute.
Friday, hapon, bandang
Oh,
alas
yeah,
6 saan ka
baby.
galing? Oo na, aamin na ako. Ang babae ako. Huwag mo akong pinaglololo ko, walang papatol sa'yo. Saan ka galing? Ay, grabe siya. Huwag mo akong ine-eme ha. Gusto mo na walang eme. Eto 100% meal value. Domat, 11-11 deals. Ay, sorry. From November 1 to 15, available dito ang hero offer na may cheeseburger with medium fries and drinks. Sa chicken meals na may 1-piece chicken with medium fries, medium drink, and free hot fudge sundae. Meron ding 2-piece golden curry fillet with small fries, small drink, and free hot fudge sundae. Open the McDonald's app, then go to the deals page. Scroll through the deals and spot your next craving. Ready to order at the McDonald's store via dine-in, take-out, and drive-thru. Click on the deal you want to claim. Click redeem. Almost there. You can now redeem the deal within a 20-minute period. You can have it scanned at the front counter, kiosk, or drive-thru. Then, enjoy your meal. Nagugutom ako. Sino ba yung... Ay! Ano bang hinahanap mo dyan? Nay! Ay! Wala pong makakain. Aba, meron! Kahit naubusan ng ulam, palagi namang available itong Payless Extra Big. Busog talaga kasi ang isang pack nitong Payless Extra Big ay pangdalawahan na. Ano bang hanap ko, anak? Ang hang or calamansi? Kaya sulit na sulit dahil para sa akin na nanay ninyo, talagang ang dami ng Payless Extra Big. Palagi akong busog sarap. Kaya buy Payless Extra Big now! Sir, tayo na.
pala si Buboy. Bagong lipat lang kami dito eh. Oo, nakita namin kayo kagahapon nung naglilipat. Sali ka ba sa laro namin? May pellet ka ba? Tara, baril-barilan tayo, ano? Ay, sorry, hindi na ako naglalaro ng mga ganyan-ganyan simula nung nakilala ako sa barangay namin dati. Magaling kasi ako sa flip top. May kilala din kami dito eh, yung si Jepoy. Magaling din yung sa flip top eh. Tatalunin ka nun. Di tawagin niyo yung Jepoy na yan. Sabihin niyo, laban kami sa flip top, ano? Tatalunin ko yan, mas magaling ako eh. Baka akala niya. Hoy, Jepoy, may naghahamon sa'yo ng flip top sa kanto, yung bagong lipat na si Buboy. Kalabanin mo nga, yabang-yabang eh. Mas magaling daw siya sa'yo sa flip top. Tatalunin ka daw eh. Sige, asan yan? Turo nyo sa akin. Panapok din talaga sa akin yan. Hoy, ikaw yung mamahamon sa akin sa flip top. Ang yabang mo ah. Laban tayo para magkaalaman. Tara, ano? Para malaman kung sino mas magaling. Ako unang banat ha. Nakita ko nanay mo pumunta sa Mindoro. Walang madaanan. Pumunta sa Inidoro. Ayun! Yun na yun. Short mo green. Damit mo green. 2022 na support ka pa rin. Sus, A, B, C, D, elementary, high school, college, di ka patuloy. Eto, nakita ko tatay mo sa ilog. Kumidlat, kumulog, laglag, pati itlog. Nasaan ba yung batik? Ay, babay! No, wala ka pa. Ay, nay! Kakalipat mo pa nandito nakikipag-away ka kaagad ha? Umuwi ka dun matulog! Talba lang tayo, wawalang talo sa atin. Babalikan kita.